In our body, hearing is one of the most delicate and important senses given to us. Losing it would be a devastating event in one's life. Unfortunately, many of us will be forced to deal with hearing loss, which has been declared incurable by many experts, especially as we get older. Tinnitus is a common ear disorder that affects over 700 million individuals globally and causes hearing loss characterized by a harsh ringing sound in the ears. Despite the fact that many big pharmaceutical firms have declared it incurable, the disease can be cured by following the steps given in this prescription. This study will address a recently discovered treatment for ringing in the ears, Auritine. What is tinnitus? Tinnitus, pronounced tinnitus, is the feeling of hearing a ringing, buzzing, hissing, chirping, whistling, or other sounds in one's ears. Noise may be intermittent or continuous, and its volume may vary. It's usually worse when there's little noise in the background, so you may notice it most at night when you're trying to sleep in a quiet room. The sound can sometimes make your heart beat in time, pulsatile tinnitus. Causes of tinnitus. Tinnitus in many people is caused by one of the following factors. Deafness is a common problem. When your inner ear, cochlea, receives sound waves, it contains tiny, delicate hair cells that move. Either an ear infection or a blockage in the ear canal, head or neck injury. What is Auritine? Auritine is a nutritional dietary supplement pill that helps your ears stay healthy. It's created with organic substances taurine that are good for your ears and brain. The natural ingredients work together to boost the supplement's effectiveness. There are no artificial chemicals or preservatives in this supplement. Tinnitus and other hearing issues may be helped with components of Auritine. It works by restoring your mental capacity to a child's mental capacity. According to Auritin's creator Peter Campbell, their effective compound removes any venom that interacts with your nerve cells, eliminating persistent buzzing in the ears and protecting you from amnesia and other difficulties. When it comes to enhancement of cognitive function, Auritin's unique prescription has been clinically established and overseen to meet the most stringent criteria. Each pill is non-GMO and completely safe to take. Auritine was recently produced in an FDA-approved facility using state-of-the-art technology. This eliminates any distractions that are interfering with your progress, allowing you to focus on your work. Ingredients in Auritine. Auritine is made up of 28 different substances that work together to improve your ear and brain health. The elements in Auritine come from organic sources and are completely safe and effective. Furthermore, the developer states that all of the ingredients are in clinically acceptable quantities to prevent intolerance and promote efficacy. Furthermore, each Auritine capsule is said to come from a US-based facility that uses cutting-edge equipment and adheres to strict manufacturing standards. The following are the main ingredients. Hawthorn and skullcap. Hawthorn and skullcap have been used for thousands of years. According to recent research, the pear has nutrients that can help with tinnitus. They reduce internal vibrations by increasing blood flow to the eustachian tube and brain. Hawthorn and skullcap also eliminate gaseous compounds from the brain, allowing the brain cells to relax and reducing tinnitus. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a fundamental element in one of the most well-known traditional Chinese medications. The leaves are used to treat circulatory and respiratory issues. When taken at the prescribed dosage, Ginkgo biloba has been shown to be an effective treatment for ringing in the ears. Ginkgo nuts have long been used to treat coughs, fevers, diarrhea, toothaches, and even gonorrhea. Acetyl L-carnitine. Acetyl L-carnitine is thought to boost bioenergetics and membrane effectiveness. Alcar. Your brain receives a boost and your cognitive abilities are strengthened when you employ this component. Using this product, hearing loss can be avoided or even reversed. Water hyssop. Hyssop is a Liliaceae mint, family shrub native to southern Europe. Ringing in the ears may be eased by putting a hot hyssop solution to the ears and letting the vapors to enter the ear canal, according to some research. Vinpostine. Vinpostine is a Vocanga extract that has the ability to repair damaged brain tissue and cells. It eliminates tinnitus by improving memory and focus. Furthermore, it dilates the blood vessels, which improves overall blood circulation. And acetyl-glutamine, L-carnitine, and L-glutamine. These are strong alpha amino acids that can help improve neuronal transmissions in the brain. They mend brain cells, which silences the dreadful interior adverse effects. The amino acids also help to prevent mental loss by promoting cell regeneration, which is especially important in older people. Lecithin. Lecithin is a fatty acid that protects the brain from memory loss and mental illnesses associated with aging. It protects cell walls from damage caused by free radicals and other contaminants. Huperzine. It boosts the brain's performance, enhancing cognitive functions such as focus and memory. It also contains antioxidants, which keep contaminants out of the brain cells. How does Auritine supplement works? To get rid of this problem, you'll need to get rid of the toxins in your brain. The creator of this solution has formulated 5 simple actions that you may implement into your everyday routine to help rid your brain of toxins and rejuvenate your synapses. Clears the airways. When you take the first dose, the nutrients in the capsule are broken down and begin to flush any impurities out of your lungs. The developer has combined the use of 100% naturally occurring skullcap and powerful nutrients found in hawthorn plants. These herbs, when mixed together, rid your lungs of polluting chemicals. In addition, extracts from these plants are mixed with St. John's wort and ginkgo biloba. Ear noise reduction. Your nerve cells begin the process of recovery and return to their normal healthy body by removing harmful toxic chemicals, giving a boost to your overall primary nervous system. Boost immunity. Ingredients in Auritine help to enhance your immune system. Similarly, certain nutrients protect cells against oxidative damage and inflammation, which can lead to hearing loss. Furthermore, the formula promotes a healthy circulatory system, ensuring that the cells receive enough nutrients and oxygen. Forms a shield to protect against tinnitus. As soon as Auritine begins to alleviate tinnitus, the nutrients in the supplement begin to establish long-term protection against it for future safety. Amnesia and other nerve disorders will also be protected by this potent mixture. Protect your brain from memory loss. Auritine has been shown to protect the brain from tinnitus. It can also permanently protect the brain from dementia and other disorders. Improvements in overall health. The ringing in your ears will go away in a few weeks. You'll be able to hear your family again, and peace will return to your life. Then, owing to this potent combination of natural components, your body will begin to mend itself. Benefits of Auritine.